Hi, welcome back to HTVFAST. In this video, we're going to be going over another way of decorating with a Cricut Mini Easypress. We're going to decorate a tote bag with our holographic rainbow material. This is a superb type of finish that you can get that gives a shiny where you don't have to worry about laying multiple colors or doing everything. It's going to give you a natural gradient of colors. Here, we're going to decorate with this tiger print where you'll be able to personalize it to give to somebody who's a mascot, who's at a school who has a tiger. You can put their name on it, a school, any of those type. This is just a quick overview of how you can just do one bag with a Cricut Mini heat press and get away with using a industrial press when you're only doing one-offs. This is what this thing was designed to do. It is absolutely amazing and is budget friendly. So of course we have our holographic rainbow material. We're going to place this on the bag accordingly. We're going to take our mini heat press and we're just going to apply straight over this. Notice I can do it with the cover sheet or without a cover sheet. To make sure that I get the proper pressure, that will be the only thing of pressing it down to make sure that it adheres, because this is a cold pill. So once you get this decorated with this mini heat press, which you just have to apply a little bit, it's going to come out as a fantastic finish for everybody to enjoy. And it's going to take less than 3 minutes. When we put it on the cutter, we weed it, and then we bring it over to our bag. We have this mini thing that we have hooked up. Instead of hooking up with our industrial press, it'll be great. Once you have applied it, you can take a look, fill it, let it cool down. While this is cooling, we can talk about where you can buy this product at. Down in the descriptions, you will see a detailed link that will take you directly to this product to buy, and you can start decorating right away. To get the Cricut Mini heat press, they're available on Amazon, at your local Walmart, your local at all those places. I would definitely invest in getting one of these along with having a heat press, so I don't have to turn it on when I only have to do one type of garment. Again, I will reiterate, I did this hat as you saw in the previous video. I also did this jacket where I just laid it on there. It's one jacket, one little small left chest, press this on there for a little bit, peel it off. Same thing with the hat. There's no need to turn this heat press on to do a single job when you can have something that is a great tool to utilize to do that. Now again, there will be other videos to follow this up, so keep in track, because we have a long list of things that we're going to be decorating for you to show you how. And remember, if there are any questions, feel free to chat us, send us an email, or just leave something down in the description. We'll be sure to get back to you. Be sure to follow us on social media. Now, this is cooled down enough that I should be able to peel this off, and I'm going to get an excellent rainbow type of tiger feel where, again, I'll hold it up. You see it's shimmery, it's shiny, it's rainbow color of a tiger. It is very, 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 very nice. I'll put some close-up of this at the end so you can take a look at it. Remember, follow us on social media. This is most exciting, decorating with this mini tool that we've got here versus turning on my huge heat press. If there are any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. And again, when you're dealing with HTVFAST, the only missing piece is you.